Good morning, my beautiful people. I've got my blueberries covered up, and I believe it's time for me to take the cover off and harvest some. Of course, the birds are mad at me. You can hear them in the background, but they can get in here if they really want to. My friend over there at Harvey Container built a fantastic cage for her blueberries, and the birds were constantly trying to break in, and so she had to go back and finish covering it. And yeah, so I probably need to harvest some of these. And also, it looks like my uh, okra is coming up back there. Uh, I've got some corn back there toward the back. Don't step off over in there right now. Probably need to do a good feeding on everything because we've had so much rain. And it looks like got okra plants everywhere and pepper plants along with a lot of other stuff. These sunflowers, though, are just going to take over. I may have to thin that out some because I just don't want all of them in there like that. And, of course, I probably need to do some more weeding over here so my melons right here will be okay. Both of those. And, yeah, I'm going to have to get in there so it won't choke out my tomato plants back there. And my grapevine, yeah, these sunflowers are just, ugh. I love them, but will try to take over. And then here's the rest of these blueberries. They hadn't quite turned yet. They are a little behind on everything. So I probably need to give it a little bit more time. Yeah. So, um, yeah, I got some more watermelon plants. This is the garden leader monster. And those right there, I think it's 3 of them in there. I'm gonna have to weed around that too so so it won't choke them out and give them space to run so they can cascade down this slope here. That tomato plant back there. Yeah. There's one I picked it up somewhere. Canards. Oh yeah, these are the ones I got when we were traveling in Milwaukee in a store called Menards. They had cheap, some really cheap plants and flowers and stuff. And yeah, I just don't want these weeds choking out my tomato plant. But anyway, I'll come back to that later. Yeah, like I said, these darn sunflowers, they are everywhere. I'm going to have a jungle over here. So, oh, I got to make sure I don't step on anything. And I've got to make sure this thing here, this salvia, don't choke out this little grapevine. And then this other tomato plant. That grapevine is climbing. This is the first year for them, so I don't expect for it to do anything. Now that is the second year for that one back there on that trellis. Oh, my green beans. Oh, something is eating my green beans. Dang. Yeah, look like a little holes in them. And then I put that sunflower back there. I might have to move some of these other sunflowers around again because it's just way too many. And it's even choking out my other plants over there. Oh, so this has bloomed too. My echinacea. And then this has fell over. Yeah. So let me try to get out of here without stepping on. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so back to the blueberries. So I have got to give this cover here. Got these covers off of Timu, I believe. Yes, this is a huge one. But hopefully it'll do the job. Yeah, so it looks like I'm not sure why that blueberry plant is doing good. Also too, I was working on my compost this morning and just pulled all of those turnips and stuff out of the garden. And yeah, so I kind of transfer back and forth between that one and this one here to keep them going. So anyway, yeah. So that's just, still need to get that up. Just never get anything done. Hey. So anyway, peach tree is still looking good. I am trying to hide from the cicadas and pick these blueberries because they're flying all over me and getting in my hair and everything. So I'm gonna have to try to do this as quick as possible and see how many I can get. How quick can I pick them? I've been waiting all day for them to calm down some. They were so loud and flying everywhere. But I've noticed that late in the evening, I guess they start getting tired. But I don't know about you, but my cicadas they've been off the... Ah! Oh, shucks. And sorry about that. I know they won't bite, but it's just the thought of them flying on me and that sound and the way it feels. I just can't stand that. But yeah, I think we have a couple of more weeks of having to deal with them. And oh, there's one right there. Oh my goodness. Go away. Go away. I'm just going to leave it there. Oh my goodness. But anyway, I'm going to try to pick as many as I can and get them covered back up so that... Oh! But anyway, okay, then let me try to see if I can finish picking the rest of these blueberries in here and get them uncovered. Yes, I'm trying to hide from the cicadas and see, this is what I'm talking about. I'm trying to pick these blueberries and this one is just climbing right here in my face. Oh my goodness. I just can't even, I'm gonna have to do something about that one because I got to stick my hand over there and get those blueberries. I know they don't bite, and it could be worse. It could be like a bee that would sting. But this thing is just like annoying because, oh, okay, I'm just gonna have to thump it off again. Don't get on my blueberries. Please don't. Oh. Okay, then I have got to finish picking these. I think that they're trying to go to sleep because you don't hear the sound as much as it was before. So I think it's their bedtime, but I do not want him sleeping on my blueberry bush. Come on now, go away. Go, go. Okay, let me see. How can I get rid of this thing? Oh well. Goodness. Go away. Let me see if it'll go away. Oh, oh my goodness. Okay, I just have to pick around it, I guess. Oh gosh. Go away. This darn cicada is right there on my blueberry bush. Thought I had got them all off, but at least they not making that crazy noise. I guess I'm just gonna have to, ooh, don't get off of that, move. I guess I'm gonna have to just work around it. Oh goodness. Just go ahead and keep picking till I can try to see if I can pick. Oh, it's moving up on the pole. Oh, get away, get away. Oh no, don't you touch that one. No, no. Now I feel like they're crawling all over me. Go away. Go away, cicada. Oh, let me see. Oh! Oh, Lord, where did it go? Oh, I think did it leave? Okay. Okay. I think it left. Okay. I guess I can finish picking in peace. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. I've been waiting all day to get out here to pick these blueberries, waiting on them to calm down some. But I don't see where it went, so I guess it fell on the ground. Just want to pick these blueberries in peace. Oh. Oh, that's a big one. This is what I got so far. Ooh, this is a big one right here. That's a big one. I think that's one of the bigger ones. I gotta hurry because it's beginning to get dark.